Hello everyone, it's another beautiful day. I'm happy to be here once again, and I hope everyone out there is doing good. Try to feel good. Always try to feel good, because that is our true nature. You attract good things whenever you feel good. Today actually I'll be talking about the law of projection. And the law of projection is one of the greatest laws amongst the universal laws, because we see ourselves everywhere we go. The people we come across reflect back to us what we feel within ourselves. The universal truth is that most of the time, all the negative things that we experience from other people actually are just reflection of how we are feeling within ourselves. Most people are always in fear, doubt, shame, thinking about what people will say about them or how people see them. And when you are having all this kind of conditioning mindsets and negative mindset within you, you will always come across negative things anywhere you go. So the people who you think that are not doing right or are not treating you right or not doing what you expect them to do is not their fault actually. It's our own fault, because we are a reflection of whatsoever we see around us. It's like we are in this bubble. It's like we are at the middle of this bubble. And in this bubble, there's a mirror all around us. I'm just trying to break it down so that most people can understand. It's just like a mirror. We are in this universe. We are part of the universe. What we have within us is part of the universe. It's part of the, cosmic plans and, cosmic universe. That's what we are within ourselves. And the thing is that most of the time, the people that hurt us most, these are the people that we had soul contract with. We had soul contract with these beautiful souls, amazing souls, before coming to this planet. Every spirit already understands and knows what he or she is going to come across in every single lifetime. So that is why we have soul contracts with most souls to incarnate together on the planet, and when we come across these people, in some certain stage of our life, these people will just show up from nowhere. They might come to start teaching us things. These people might come with a negative trait, negative attitude, negative abilities, negative things. Most times, these people might betray us. These people might do something bad to us. It's what we sign for. In every situation, there is a lesson to be learned, and there is a reason for everything. And the moment I learned about this, when I became aware of this, I don't, bother myself towards anything negative anymore. I'm always happy. I'm always peaceful. I'm always at peace with myself. That is why sometimes this type of knowledge is good. When you have knowledge, it gives you clarity. You see the world in a different light. As I was saying, and most of these people actually come into our life, tell us and do to us the things that we are having within ourselves. But we are living in this illusion where everything is about programming, and we've been programming some kind of mindset. Now we see life so small, and we take action in every situation, negative actions. We try to prove ourselves. We try to steal energy from other people. We try to react in every single situation because we think that, it's normal. But when you become aware, and when you become awake and understand that everything is just, everything is happening for us and not to us. Everything is just happening for us. Even the people, sometimes it might be a relationship that you are in. The relationship might be negative and you might be planning to quit, or something might, or you might be planning to stay away from some family members, friends, or whatsoever, because you think that they are negative. But think about this. When you realize that, oh, these people are reflecting back to me how I am feeling within myself, this is where you get clarity. This is where the story changes. This is where your consciousness begins to arise, and you begin to attract universal forces, divine forces, to help you with more clarity. Because when you take a step to know who you are within, because everything is right within us. For me, whatsoever I'm feeling, whatsoever I want to do, whatsoever I want to see, I take everything within myself. I bring everything within so that I can see the result outside of myself. Because everything starts with God. Everything will end with God. We are powerful beings. We are unique. We create our reality. Whatsoever you are feeling within yourself is going to get back to you. It's going to reflect back to you, no matter how you try to reject it, no matter how you try to just try to overlook it. But when you begin to get awareness, you begin to get this clarity, you will understand that, oh, everything is just reminding me of who I am. Whatever we are experiencing, we've all been through a lot in our life. We've all come across negative people. We've all lost a lot of stuff. We have been negative. We have done a lot of negative stuff that we think that is something evil. But in reality, those things are just pushing us to go back within so that we can stay firm in our center, so that we can go back to our center, to our inner child, to our inner self, and clear away those negativity. We are peaceful beings. We are not supposed to fight over some things that doesn't matter to us, or react to some kind of things, because we are peaceful beings. Our true nature is love and peace, harmony. Our true nature is unity, mercy, love, happiness. And when you begin to practice this, when you begin to become conscious, become aware, stay focused, and become the observer of what's going on within your mind and what's going on within you or your emotions, this is where everything starts to happen for you. This is where you begin to see synchronicities. This is where your life will begin to change. You will begin to live in peace. You will begin to ignore some things that a lot of people go crazy about. Because everything starts within us. Before something can happen in our reality, it's first of all come as a thought, as an emotion. Because a lot of people are ignorant. A lot of people don't even know that before you can suffer any pains on this planet, before you can suffer any pains or whatsoever thing that would bring some kind of harm or some kind of regret or whatsoever to you, it starts from you first. When you begin to observe your thoughts, you begin to observe how you are feeling within yourself. This is where you begin to become the master. This is where you start to take back your powers. Because everything that we are experiencing in our life are just forms of negative thoughts and some kind of emotions. But most of these emotions, not everything that we can control, because most of the time we've done a lot of things in our past life, negative things in our past life that comes back to us in this lifetime, and it comes as negative emotions, negative feelings, negative thoughts. Just because we are not aware of all this, we identify ourselves as those negativity, and we begin to experience all these things in our reality. The law of projection It's one of the greatest laws in the universe. Whatsoever you experience in your reality is going on within yourself. And if you realize this, you will become more focused and conscious. And you will start to observe the thoughts and the emotions, the fear, the shame. You know, for me, I've been through those stuff. I'm the kind of, in the past, my life was filled with so many doubts, fear, especially shame. I'm the kind of guy that is kind of like shy. But as I begin to expand my consciousness and begin to become aware, as I begin to seek for more knowledge, I begin to seek clarity. I begin to understand that, we are spiritual beings. We are in control of our reality. We control everything that we experience. You can control your life. We are the controller of our life. The law of projection is a powerful law. It's a powerful law in the universe, not just on this planet. What we are within, that is what we experience outside of us. It happens first within you. It happens first within you. You are life. You know, there was a time I was asking, what's the meaning of life? You know, I wanted to know the meaning of life. Like, why are we here? Why are we experiencing all these things? Why are we experiencing all this fear, all this shame, negativity, separation, and guilt, or shame, and all these things? And I wanted to know what life is all about. As time passed by, I realized that, there's nothing to search. Everything lives within us. We are life itself. Everything we experience in our daily life is part of life. We are life. You are life. Don't search for the meaning of life. What you experience daily is always there to show you something, or to teach you something, or trying to bring you back to the light, to your center, to your soul, so that you can become conscious and aware. And when you clear away those negativities, you'll find peace for the rest of your life. Freedom. Freedom, 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 freedom. What is freedom? Freedom is when you are free from negative thoughts and negative emotions. But though we do come across and experience negative, we do experience this negative thoughts and other things. But when you become conscious, this is freedom. Because you are conscious, you are not the observer of what's going on within. You are no more the victim, but now you are the observer. So the law of projection is something that everyone needs to know about, so that we can start to find peace. See all the negative things that you're having within, the fear, the shame, the guilt, the separation, whatsoever thing that brings you fear, that puts your energy down. Clear those things. Learn meditation. Pray. Ask for guidance. Ask for inspiration. Ask for knowledge. For me, in my prayers, I do seek for knowledge. I ask God for more wisdom from the infinite intelligence himself. And I get synchronicity. I come across a lot of knowledge that helps me to find peace. We are learning. We are still learning. No one is perfect. We are learning and we are moving forward. It's all about moving forward. Going forward, not backward. We are growing. Life is there to teach us. Everything is there to teach us. The law of projection is there for a reason, so that we can connect back to who we are, our true state of being, which is spiritual being that we are. You know, we are multidimensional. So thank you so much for listening to this message today. And I know you've learned something new today. Change how you feel within yourself. Go back within. Clear the mind. See yourself as a peaceful being. And this is what you will experience in your life. It starts from you first. Clear those negative emotions. Become the observer. And you will see everyone around you who you think they are negative to you will become lovely, or the universe might just take them away from your life and bring another set of people that will match your new frequency and energy. I love you so, so much, guys. I will see you in another video. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.